Hey, we have some issues going on. Anyhow, time has passed, and we're back to it. So the upgrade didn't work. I need to look into that. I think I know what it is, but I'm not going to bother with it now. So we removed this from the deployment. Yes, and I had to reinstall TK, so it's back up. Ooh. Refresh. There we go. All right, so what were we looking at? So we turned on the updates. We can now get updates. We see a fail in there. So we can deploy updates through this. All right. What else? What else would this be good for a endpoint management solution? What does that say? Oh, I didn't even notice this highlight thing. When the settings disable, additional processes launch called. What does it say? If it's accessible, okay. No, we don't want to apply policy. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, I'll go wrap it.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go wash these in just a second.
Okay.
Okay. I gotta wash some raspberries.
Am I gonna eat some cheese first?
You want some cheese?
I want to eat raspberries.
Okay.
Right now.
Well, I'm almost done wrapping this up, and I'll wash you some raspberries.
But it's gonna take for too long.
No, I'm almost done. The big chunk I already gave them is almost done.
Oh yeah. Wait, how did you got like that computer?
Yeah.
How
I set all this up.
I
I learned how to do it, and I'm still learning.
How did you got to like the controllers?
Yeah, those are my gaming controllers.
And what does this do?
That's a joystick.
And what does this do?
It's the same thing.
What? Can I see the letter? A and B.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe supposed to be green. Green. Be supposed to be blue.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get back to this, and then I'll wash your raspberries and get your cheese. Okay?
Oh look, it's just like the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same controller. I just got two of them.
This button. Oh, this one didn't work.
All right.
It only needs to charge.
Okay. Well, we'll see you in just a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Well.
Can I put it in the recycle?
Yeah, you can throw that away.
Yay!
Thank you.
It's really empty.
Oh man, recycling, learning about Xbox controllers.
Hey,
Oh, come back.
I'm gonna close your door.
Okay, thank you. All right, so back to it. All right, so I was highlighting that. Provide system information toolbar that can be seen over full screen. Let's try that. Well, I don't think that's going to work well on the way I got this session set up. Don't want to ignore a third-party driver. Yeah, we can set up messages. thought there was a way that we can block or restrict yeah, that one didn't work because TK's got to be going. Um, hmm. I thought there was a way that we could do something with sites. Service, application. I guess not. Proxy. Oh, URL. Oh, that's secure browser. I guess we could block Edge and set that up. Anyhow. So we went through the meat and potatoes, and since it crashed and we're doing a part 2 or part B, then scale, desktop agent, secure remote worker. Let's try some of this. We got the VDA, got that. Management platform. All right, you saw the software packages. They have a pretty good knowledge base. Yep. Everything you need in here. You can probably figure out my issue looking through here as well. All right, so it's downloaded. I'm going to grab these and I'll set them up. Then scale. And then I'll extract. Because I got tons of space. Extract here. Extract here. All right. And can I access the TDA? Easy, run along. Citrix admin. And we got temp. So let's go to C, even though it's on D. Then scale. And we do got PowerShell. We could do some cool things with PowerShell, automations, all kinds of cool stuff. All right, let's close that. Let's close out some of these so we don't get confused. Unblocked. Oops. Should be able to access what I need to on here now. Technically, we can just do everything in here. That's too much Inception. But we could. Um, got our temporary storage, BitLocker encryption. Let's install this. I think that's a little too much going on. It's cool. We got some reporting. I gotta get a copy and paste. That's my friend. Citrix Administrator. Okay, verify. Connect to management site. Huh. Let's set that up. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Well, I can't see you. No. Finish. Alright, we need to restart you. Power, restart guest. Gotta watch these raspberries. Alright, let's knock this out. User temp get this one on here. All right, let's see. Okay. There's a problem. It's not licensed. No. Let's look at the control panel. We are licensed. I don't care what anybody says. Nope. All right, and what was the other one? Repair, modify. I guess I could do a local profile. That way we can actually see it. Okay. Let's go to profiles. Assign profile. I need to see what this said. Modify, repair. That's right, we didn't set any of that up. Maybe we should just call it quits while we're ahead. But anyhow, CPU control, set rules in here. That one's by Excel. Edit rule. Memory, logging. Nothing too crazy. BDA support. All these events. Here's the profile editor. Yep. Demo. Licensing. What was the VDA? Where's the VDA support? Let's see if that will work. Anyhow, I don't think there was a part for a reason to make a part 2. Should have just ended after the crash, but I don't really remember messing around with they call it a VDA, Virtual Desktop Agent. But they give you a little bit extra stuff. You pay for it. TDA, VDA. It's great. Great, great, great. Let's hear from... Troubleshoot mode. That's grayed out. Control panel. I just want to get this last piece. Uninstall. Man, 2311. They're behind. Alright, so it's gone. Let's try one more time. See what the error was while I was goofing around. Temp. Yep. Disconnect. Copy, paste. Let's do a local profile then. Alright. Whatever reason, I won't talk to the management server. Again, we could have did all this without a management server. Just done everything with a local profile. Alright, let's do this. And see if we get anything out of it. Let's browse to it. Oh my goodness. Where did it go? Control panel. Columns. Or source. Location. There we go. I need that one. ThinScale.vda. ThinScale VDA. Here we go. Setup application. We got the profile editor right here. All right, configuration. All right, we can import a profile. It's the default one, or demo. Battery, Wi-Fi. I mean, this might be good. They're using Citrix or using anything web-based. Send session detail to TK. All right, you can do user inclusion, exclusions. You can set it to where it's supposed to be running. All right, so just notifying the users. Yeah, that was a waste. Well, I wouldn't say it's a waste, but anyhow. So we got something. I think the only thing that might need some tweaking, and you can probably contact the vendor and get them to make in some changes, was the let's look at this again. Was the software package installation. Following controls or something. Don't install. Don't install. Let's do one more package. I want to get this package thing working. Management software packages. Let's do. What's another good one? Putty. We got Putty. We got ThinScale apps. All right, downloads, all that good stuff. Box, storage, ThinScale apps. Let's do Putty. Side package. We'll do Putty. Refresh profile. How can we get by this? Without launching this? I mean, we can probably script it. Oh, the raspberries. It's taking too long? Oh, I know. I got stuck. Can I try getting this application to work and watch it for you? Alright, I'm coming. I'm sorry. Oh man, she's real hungry. Machine service, restart. Oh man, there we go. So we could script it or talk to the vendor, maybe get some enhancements put in. But we can work in toggling the service. Now we got putty. Was it worth it? Not washing these raspberries? Not really, but we're on the right track. So we can do a log on script. We can do something to get this working ourselves to where we don't need to launch ThinKiosk and maybe just remove that component. Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness. Did I set something else on the profile to do that? But anyhow, I think we made our point. We can use ThinScale Management Console as a endpoint management solution. We got software packages. We got profiles to manage the device. We can get down in the nit and gritty of registry keys, log on scripts, startup scripts, log off scripts, all kinds of stuff. Wi-Fi, mass USB, storage, etc. We got reporting in here. We got Windows updates. So this might be a solution for you. If you don't have access to domain services, or you're just looking for something that meets your needs, this could be a solution. May not be the best one, but hey, not everybody can afford or do nice things. Not saying this is cheap, but there's a lot to be offered, a lot to be developed on. But man, maybe next time we'll look at WIM as a way to manage, deploy software, and all the other good things. But ThinScale doing big things. Anyhow, hope you learned something, and we'll see each other soon.